Hello everyone, welcome to the world of happiness. So today I'll be telling you about the quote which is as follows. Strength does not come from physical capacity, it comes from an indomitable will. Once again I repeat the quote. Strength does not come from physical capacity, it comes from an indomitable will. So, my dear friends, every individual person on this planet Earth is important. We all come from different backgrounds, have different culture, have different cuisine, have different languages, but on this platform, we all are one. Together we stand and are very strongly bonded to each other. So, every one of you realize your own inner potential, your greatest inner power, what you are capable of doing. Don't see or listen what other people are thinking or saying about you. Just focus on yourself and believe in yourself. You have immense potential to do whatever you want to achieve in your life. When you put your heart and soul into your work, then no one can ever defeat you in your work. You will be at the top position. You just have to believe in yourself, and with your hard work and wisdom, you will achieve whatever you aim for. Physical capacity is important, but you have to be mentally very strong and prepare yourself accordingly. When you make yourself mentally strong, then with full confidence, you can move forward in the direction of your dreams, which will definitely come true. With your willpower, you can achieve anything in life which you desire for, and you will get success in that particular field. When you are confident, nobody can defeat you. Whatever may be the situation, you will win and achieve your target. People around you teaches you lot of things. Take everything positively. If they say you can't do it, then you should definitely go for it, because you are only the person who knows your own inner potential and strength. So you are the only person who knows that you can do it, and you know you are moving in the right direction. When you are confident, and then with your willpower and wisdom, you can achieve anything in life which you desire for, whether it is artwork, music, or studies. So just believe in yourself. You have immense potential and you can achieve anything you desire for. Then you will become successful, and then wonderful things happen, miracles happen in your life, and everywhere there is positivity, and then you will become the most happiest and satisfied person present on this planet Earth, which makes people in your surrounding happy too, which ultimately lead to world unity, world peace, and then there is development of humanity, and then there is happiness all around and in everyone's lives. Thank you.